We are continuing to model fraction division using example 3, 2/5 divided by 4/5. Remember that 2/5 is the dividend and 4/5 is the divisor, or what we are dividing by. Now let's write the question we should be thinking about. So we should be thinking about this question. How many 4/5 fit into 2/5? Or we could say it like this. How many groups of size 4/5 go into 2/5? Now let's go over to our fraction bar modeling app, and I'm going to go ahead and first grab the 2/5, and the 2/5 is our dividend. And then we're dividing it by 4/5, and 4/5 is actually our divisor. Now this is a little bit different than what we've looked at so far because the divisor in this case is larger than the dividend. So this is a unique problem. So I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of just the section that I need, and then I'm going to go back to GoFormative, click the picture button, click My Device, and then I'm going to go to where my screenshots are. Your screenshot should be under Google Drive, under Recent. I'll click Open, and then I'll click Add Image. Now if I needed to move that, I could click Select, this tool, and move it where I wanted it to go. Now I'm going to go up to this rectangle, not the scribble, whoops, let's go to the rectangle, and I'm going to just think about this group of size 4/5, and we're thinking about how many times 4/5 can fit into 2/5. Well, 4/5, you can't even fit that one whole time into 2/5. This whole thing is too large to fit inside of 2/5. So you're only going to be able to fit a fractional portion of this 4/5 inside of the 2/5. So let's compare this 4/5 to 2/5 and just think about how much of this 4/5 fits into the 2/5. Well, think about it. You have 2 pieces out of this grouping. So you have 2 pieces out of this group of 4. So you are going to be able to fit just 2 pieces out of your group of 4 pieces here inside of the 2/5. Basically what we're saying is 2/4 of this grouping of 4/5 is going to be able to fit into the 2/5. Now this can be reduced, so I'm going to type 2/4 and show you that this can be reduced. What can 2 and 4 be divided by? Well, they are both even numbers, so they can both be divided by 2. So if I take 2 and divide it by 2, I get 1. And 4 divided by 2, I get 2. So the answer reduces to 1/2. So how many 4/5 fit into 2/5? Well, how many of the 4/5 fit into 2/5? Well, we're saying half of the 4/5 can fit into 2/5. So the answer to this is 1/2.